We'll use this decorative stitch as an example. This stitch is used for decorating edging on items such as tablecloths, collars on blouses, etc. Use the manual buttonhole presser foot I for this stitch. Turn off the power switch before replacing the presser foot. Select this stitch pattern. To keep the pattern intact, leave some margin and sew on the edge of the cloth. Cut the sewn fabric carefully so that stitches are not cut by the scissors. You can sew a combination of decorative stitches that look like lacework. We'll use this decorative stitch as an example. Select this stitch pattern and sew. Next, select this pattern and sew aligning the inside line of the presser foot to the edge of the decorative stitch pattern. We'll use this decorative stitch as an example. After selecting a stitch pattern, press this button to make a mirror image of the selected pattern. This sewing machine has some random stitch patterns. We'll use this decorative stitch as an example. The width can be changed automatically by section so that you can enjoy those patterns.